How to log into Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Trust Wallet app in your device. You can get this app easily from the Play Store or App Store. Once completion of download process, launch this app. Here we go. You will land to this kind of page. Now over here you're going to find two options. Create a new wallet and add existing wallet. Click on the option of add existing wallet. Now you have to enter passcode. Confirm your passcode. Now go ahead and click on the option of secret phase. Now from here select the wallet for which you want to log in. And from this page you can easily log into your wallet. Just go ahead and give a name to your wallet and then type in the secret phase over here. After you do that, you can click on the option of Restore Wallet, and with that you will be logged into your wallet. Well, this way you can easily log into your Trust Wallet. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.